Keen on Unraveled. Dive into English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, keen on. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, how to use it in sentences, and its various nuances. Let's get started. Keen on is a phrase that originates from the word keen, which means having a sharp edge or point, or being eager or enthusiastic. When combined with on, it's used to describe someone's interest, enthusiasm, or liking for something or someone. Example, I am keen on learning guitar. This means I am very interested in learning how to play the guitar. 1. Hobbies and interests. Using keen on is a great way to talk about hobbies or activities you love. Example, she's keen on horseback riding every weekend. 2. Preferences. It can describe personal preferences or inclinations. Example, he's not keen on eating spicy food. 3. Feelings about people. Keen on can also express how someone feels about another person, especially in romantic contexts. Example, I think Jake is keen on Lucy. This implies Jake might have a romantic interest in Lucy. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Some synonyms for keen on include fond of, enthusiastic about, interested in, passionate about. Example, I am fond of jazz music. She's very enthusiastic about her new project. There you have it. Keen on is a versatile phrase to express interest, enthusiasm, or preference towards something or someone. Practice using it in your conversations and watch how naturally it blends into your everyday English. We hope this video has been insightful. Keep up your enthusiasm for learning, and we'll catch you in the next one.